Welcome to the Professional Prompt, where we review your favorite products.
Hey there! Today, I want to talk about Santal Complet Parfum, which comes in a pretty generous 3.38 fluid ounce bottle. Now, this fragrance is like a love letter to those endless summer vibes. Just imagine a scent that captures the warmth of sun-drenched shores. That's exactly what Santal Complet does. The perfume opens up with fresh notes of coconut and a zesty twist of lemon, which really gives it that tropical feel right from the start. As it develops, you dive into a heart of violet and a bit of black pepper, adding a nice complexity to the mix. And let's not forget the base notes. You've got sandalwood, amber, musk, and sweet vanilla that wrap everything up in this warm, inviting embrace. It's honestly like a little escape in a bottle. Now, I should mention that this fragrance is priced at $395, which might seem steep at first glance. But if you're a fan of high-quality perfumes and unique scents, it could definitely be worth considering. Just keep in mind that it's not returnable due to hazmat safety reasons. I noticed there aren't any customer ratings or reviews yet, which is a little surprising for such a luxurious product. However, I'll show you some images so you can see just how beautiful the packaging is. Overall, if you're looking for something that's both elegant and laid-back, Santal Complet could be right up your alley. It's perfect for those who appreciate a sophisticated scent that still feels relaxed and inviting. So, if this sounds like your kind of fragrance, I definitely recommend checking it out. Don't forget to like and share and click the link in the description to purchase.
Scan the QR code or on mobile, take a screenshot and scan it to go to the product page.